welcomes you back in Angangi Pothawari Kids Lay Stories. Today's tale is an old folk tale from Manipur. This story is about a creature who had head of a tiger and body of a human. He is none other than Kapui Kayoiba. Once in a village, there lived a creature who has head of a tiger and body of a human, and his name was Kapui Kayoiba. He used to wander at night all alone in search of food. He doesn't have anybody to look after him, to share his loneliness, to cook for him, or to wash clothes for him. As usual, one night, Kapui Kayoiba went out for hunting and he saw a hut. Inside that hut, he saw an old lady sleeping there, and he entered into the hut and said, "Today I'm going to eat you up." The old lady, with her choked voice, she said, "Oh, please, Kapui Kayoiba, don't eat me up. I will not be tasty. I'm old. My skins are wrinkled. Please don't eat me, Kapui Kayoiba." Kapui Kayoiba said, "No, today I will eat you up." The old lady said, "I will tell you about a person who is much younger, who is much prettier, and she will satisfy your hunger even better than me." "Who is that person? Tell me fast." The old lady told Kapui Kayoiba that her name is Thabaton. She stays far in the northern side of the village in a lonely house. So Kapui Kayoiba, without wasting any time, he rushed towards the lonely house to eat Thabaton. As soon as he saw Thabaton, he was mesmerized by her beauty, and he thought to himself, "I will not eat her. I will make her as my wife." Kapui Kayoiba kept observing. When the brother would go and come back home, the brothers would say some code word. They would say, "Oh dear Thabaton, open the lock and lift the door." One day, Thabaton's brothers went out for business. They told their sister to lock the door and do not open the door till they come back. Taking this chance, Kapui Kayoiba kept crawling near Thabaton's door. He changed his voice and said, "Oh dear Thabaton, open the lock and lift the door." So Thabaton mistook the voice for her brother, and she opened the lock and lifted the door. As soon as she opened the door, Kapui Kayoiba growled and pounced on her. Thabaton struggled. "Oh, please help! Please help! Please! Anybody there?" Kapui Kayoiba growled, "Nobody is there. Today I will take you and make my bride." So he caught Thabaton and then took her away with him. When the brothers returned, they found Thabaton nowhere. They started searching here and there, but couldn't find her. The brothers started to cry, "Oh, our dear sister, what had happened to you? Where have you gone?" They started to ask each and every person in the village about Thabaton. They came across the old lady, and she told that Thabaton was taken away by the Kapui Kayoiba. They got angry and they said, We will trace you down, Kabuikayoiba, and will kill you and take our sister back home. Many days passed. They were searching for their sister, and at a distance, in a hut, they saw Thabaton. They were so surprised. They ran towards Thabaton, hugged her, and said, "Where have you been, Thabaton? What had happened to you?" And Thabaton started crying. "Brother, Kabuikayoiba came to our home. I mistook his voice to yours. He caught me by my hand and took me away. Please take me home, brothers," she cried. The brothers assured her that they will surely take her home. Thabaton told that Kabuikayoiba is very dangerous and very strong. She told her brothers to go back home. But the brothers said, "Without taking you, we are not going to leave." And they gave her a plan. They said, "Take this bamboo pipe which has both ends open and give it to him. Tell him to fetch the water from the pond. While he will be fetching the water, we will come and take you home." Thabaton was very happy to hear the plan. She said yes, and the brothers hid behind a bush. Now Kabuikayoiba came back at night with the food. They both ate and slept. In the morning, Thabaton took the bamboo pipe which has open end and called out her husband. "Oh dear husband, oh dear husband, we don't have any water at home. Can you please fetch the water?" Kabuikayoiba was very happy and he said, "Yes, my dear, for you I can do anything." Thabaton gave him the bamboo pipe. Kabuikayoiba went happily to fetch water. Kabuikayoiba went near the pond and started to fetch water. But as soon as he fetched the water and tried to bring it, the water was fell off as the bamboo pipe was open in both ends. He tried fetching the water. In the meantime, Thabaton's brother came to take away Thabaton. They burned Kabuikayoiba's house, took Thabaton away, and ran back home. A crow was watching all this incident happening, and she found it very funny. And she started to sing. "Ha Kabuikayoiba, naning namang hotrong ho, na tulay makang ko na yung may grong." Which means, "Hey Kabuikayoiba, you fool, you are fetching the water with the bamboo pipe which has both ends open, and now your wife is gone, your house is burned." She sang it repeatedly. In the meantime, Kabuikayoiba sensed something. So he rushed towards his home and saw his house was burned and his wife is gone. Now he growled and said, "Whoever has done this to my house and to my wife, I am going to catch them all, kill them all and eat them and bring back my wife." So he ran after Thabaton. The brothers also knew that after all this incident, Kabuikayoiba will surely come back to get his wife back. So they were all prepared with weapons and waited for him. Kabui Kayoiba reached Thabaton's place. As soon as he entered the gate, all the brothers pounced on him, beat him with the stick and other weapons, and killed him instantly. Here the story ends. I hope you all enjoyed the story. If you like this story, please do give a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share our channel to your near and dear ones. One more important thing is that if you like to make this hand puppet of Thabaton and Kabui Kayoiba, do go to the description box. I have already shared the link in the description box. Till then, thank you all for watching this video. Bye bye.